Good. What's up? We're back at it again. I'm Jaquie Ohh, aka Photo. I am the creative director and photographer for Creative Click Agency. Today, we're doing another behind the scenes of a product shoot that I'm doing for one of our clients, a company called Honestly. They do CBD. I really like this brand. I really like how simple it is. I like their message. I like how it's all natural. I mean, we did design it, so of course I like it. I really like how it tastes. There's a mint one, coconut one, and there's also CBD gummies. These taste amazing. I pop them probably more than I should. Same with the tinctures. The tinctures are really delicious too. I mean, I put these in drinks, anything. You can even put them on your skin. There's so many uses for these. The sky's the limit. But anyway, I digress. So typically when I'm thinking about a shoot to do for Honestly, I think, you know, minimalism, neutral colors. It's very clean, it's very simple. That's kind of the message that I want to get across when I'm picking props, when I'm looking at lighting and backgrounds and colors. Like, I just want to keep within that theme. We want to stay on brand. While I was looking for inspiration and perusing Pinterest, as I normally do, because I'm obsessed, but who isn't? I came across this image that I thought would be perfect for the Honestly brand. So today, we're gonna try and recreate that using the things that I have around my house. Since we don't have a studio right now because of COVID, we're going to use what I have around my house and use my in-home studio that I have put together. Oh, and another thing that I'm really excited about is today we are using this bad boy, Canon 100mm macro lens. This baby right here. Oh, how do I describe? It just makes your products look so good and crisp and detailed and just, I love you.
I love you. You want to stay here with me? Do you want to stay home with me? You do?
Oh God, now I'm talking to the lenses like I would the animals. I gotta get out of here. All right, let's get into it. Gotta get your shoulders working. Look at that. Look at that. How she do her shoulders like that. Oh God. No, we're going now. We're going for it. Let's go. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is lay out all of my props and the product and just get everything kind of laid out so I have a visual of what I need to do. So what I have here is the plexiglass that I'm gonna be putting water into, just very shallow, because I am gonna wanna be sticking the product in there and I don't want it, you know, overflowing or anything. And we have the light that will be shooting into here, creating a little bit of a shadow. We'll see how it goes once we get started. Just so I make sure the product stays in place, doesn't float, doesn't roll off anywhere when I'm trying to shoot, I'm sticking some double-sided tape onto the back of it. It's removable, it's not gonna ruin your product or anything. It just kind of sticks on like that. And then another layer. Let's just do 2, screw it. 3. Okay, we got the tape on there. I'm gonna place it just like that. Okay, cool. brought in this whiteboard here to kind of fill in the shadows when the flash hits. And again, I'm using a flash because I don't have a continuous light here, so flash is gonna have to do. But yeah, brought in this whiteboard to fill in the shadows, and I'm gonna stand up on this chair so I can get a top-down position, kind of like in the flat lays. And then my genius idea of making the ripples, I'm gonna take a straw while I'm up there, and then I'm going to release. So we'll see how that goes. Let's see. All right, that's it for this time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had a great time. And if you did, please like, subscribe, comment, share, you know, whatever you want to do. But it really does help the channel. It helps the algorithm, and I want to keep making these videos for you, so.